Hello friends, I am Ehtisham. Welcome to Learning City. Today in this tutorial we will be learning morph transition with 3D objects. I have inserted the object of office furniture. This is how it will look. This is the 3D object I have inserted. Rotation in various ways. How to do this? Let me show you. First, insert a new slide by going to either insert slide or click on new slide. Go to insert a 3D model from any online source. If you have in your device, you can download that or insert the 3D model from over there. Now under insert tab, I have used it office furniture. You can use any of the 3D model. I'm going to use any animated animal. Let's say this bee. Click insert. It will take a couple of seconds. Once the 3D object inserted, you can resize it, give it a title. I'm going to title it as insect. Again, slightly increase the size so that it's become more visible. Now if you want to write a description for this, under the text box, click and then write the description for this insects. For example, write being a science student, write its family, then genus, species, etc. Other details, subspecies, etc. Now once you are done, click duplicate slide. Now just resize this insect. This is the bottom view. Now change the description as ventral view. You can bullet it. Now describe the color, appearance, morphology, etc. Other details you can go on increasing one by one. Now again duplicate the slide. Just change the direction, change the position. This time I'm going to keep it side view. Just change the description as side view. Now same details if you want to write, or other detail you want to insert, number of wings, so on, legs, etc. Again resize, duplicate the slide. This time I'm going to keep it from dorsal, means from above, that how it will look from above. The good point for this 3D object is that it is animated. Simply appearance, morphology, everything you want to describe, number one, each and everything one by one. Now there is another option under the 3D model, pan and zoom. Just zoom that. If you want to describe a particular organ, for example I'm going to describe the thorax, then you can find out that. Now again duplicate the slide. This time again zoom out a little bit, change the view. I'm going to keep it this way. Front view, appearance, color, everything you want to 3D model, pan and zoom, zoom it. Again, if you want to amplify anything, or if the animation is disturbing you, you can just pause this, adjust your, and then again, either you want to play the theme, you can simply play this. Go on increasing the views, depend on your requirement, depend on your 3D models. 3D model, again pen and zoom out it, and the Office 365 have also made it easy for you to simply select the views. There are multiple views. You can relook at it. Now from this slide, I'm going to go to the transition, click on Morph transition and apply it to all. This is all you have to do. Now start from the beginning. This was the initial which I have told you. Look at the motions, bottom view, this is the 3D model of insect we have just made together. This is the next slide, the side view. This is the view we have together made it pan and zoom. This is another view. This is again. So this is how you can use multiple shapes, multiple views in order to make your presentation more attractive. For more updates and videos, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.